Citigroup raises global economic forecast for 2023 inches. Citigroup forecasts a global economic growth of 2.4% in 2023, driven by the strength of the US, Eurozone, and China. The US economy is expected to only contract in Q4 of this year. Financial pressures stemming from bank crises in the US and Europe are expected to gradually ease. However, Citigroup has lowered its global economic growth forecast for 2024 to 2.1%. Challenges related to rising interest rates and their impact on bank assets, deposits, and capital are believed to persist, and may lead to tighter credit conditions. ECB warns about the position of the US dollar and euro. The ECB has said that around 60% of foreign exchange reserves and international debt are currently denominated in the US dollar, with the euro in second place at 20%. However, ECB President Christine Lagarde believes that the US dollar's position in the global market is no longer natural, as some countries are looking for alternative currencies in payments. US officials continue to deny the risk of the US dollar losing its dominant position globally, and expect that a digital US dollar could strengthen this role. The ECB also expects that a digital version of the euro will help popularize the currency overseas, but warns that it will come with other risks, such as money laundering. Musk says Tesla will put sales growth ahead of profit. Tesla will prioritize sales growth over profit amid a weak economy, according to CEO Elon Musk. The company's low quarterly gross margin and aggressive price cuts in markets like the US and China have not deterred demand, exceeding production. However, Tesla's gross margin of 19.3% fell below market estimates and inventory rose to $14.38 billion. The EV maker hopes to deliver Cybertruck in Q3 and maintain its target of 1.8 million vehicle deliveries this year. Fed's Williams. Inflation still too high. Fed will act to lower it. Federal Reserve Bank of New York President John Williams says inflation is still too high, and the Fed will act to restore price stability. While not commenting on his personal view of what's next for monetary policy, Williams notes that recent Fed forecasts flag the prospect of more monetary policy tightening to help lower inflation. He also expects a very tight labor market to cool and growth to moderate this year before rebounding next year. However, he does not expect a recession, in contrast to the staff view of the central bank. Medvedev warns of major danger. Russian National Security Council Deputy Chairman Dmitry Medvedev has warned of the danger of South Korea providing weapons to Ukraine, as South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol said his country is prepared to provide weapons to Ukraine if there is a serious threat or blatant violation of the laws of war. A Kremlin spokesman said that providing weapons means participation in the conflict. South Korea has a rather hostile stance towards Russia regarding the situation in Ukraine, and the announcement of the possibility of supplying weapons is a continuation of that policy.